Picture this. It's sunrise in the middle of nowhere and you're brewing coffee not over a campfire, but on a portable stove. You have plenty of clean water thanks to a tiny yet powerful filter. The shelter above your head weighs about as much as a can of chili. Sure, the wilderness usually makes the rules, but today's outdoor gear is rewriting them. Now you have the freedom to go farther, sleep warmer, and eat better no matter where you are. GenX Multifunctional Camp Care. The GenX Multifunctional Camp Care is a modular device packed with handy features. Need to light a fire fast? Switch on the powerful air blower, inflating a boat or mattress. Use the built-in pump. It also works as a vacuum sealer, a gas burner, and even a power bank with 33-watt fast charging. The ways to use this clever gadget are limited only by your imagination. Feel free to share your ideas in the comments. And the best part? The price is just $65. Buffalo Air Tent. Tired of wrestling with your tent? Meet Buffalo. In just a couple of minutes, your inflatable campsite is ready to go. It inflates to 2.7 atmospheres, making it twice as elastic and durable as the competition. Rain, snow, and even hail won't faze it. Plus, it weighs less than a laptop, so it won't wear you out on the trail. The one-person Buffalo costs $219, and the two-person version goes for $249. BK 2000 Water Filter. The BK 2000 rechargeable filter is so compact it clips right onto your backpack. But don't let its size fool you. Its innovative 5-stage carbon fiber filtration system delivers not just clean, but drinkable water. On a single charge, it can purify up to 168 liters. Built-in lighting makes it easy to use even in the dark. The price? Just $52 for pure water, wherever your adventures take you. KABIN Blow Stick. The KABIN Blow Stick is perfect, not just for stirring coals and firewood, but also for fanning the flames safely and easily. It's hollow and adjustable in length, giving you better reach and control. A sturdy wooden handle with a silicone end cap makes it comfortable to use. It weighs 900 grams and costs $40, a small price for making campfire management so much easier. ColdSpark. The ColdSpark. Vest redefines what comfort means outdoors. In just 1 minute, it can cool the air around you to 18 degrees Celsius. There's also a heating mode that raises the temperature to 20 degrees Celsius. It runs on an external power bank, and a 20,000 milliampere hour charge provides up to 6 hours of cooling or 8 hours of heating. Stay comfortable no matter the weather. The vest costs $89, a small price for all-season comfort wherever you go. Atmos. The Atmos hammock reimagines outdoor rest. Its air-filled insulation panels trap heat and block out the cold, giving it a thermal resistance R value of 3. That means you can sleep comfortably in cooler weather without needing a mat or extra blanket, freeing up space in your pack. It weighs just 1.3 kilograms and packs down into a stuff sack about the size of a thermos. The Atmos hammock is available for $198 your ticket to warm, comfortable sleep under the stars. HALOXEEN. The HALOXEEN is a modular setup designed for outdoor enthusiasts. By combining poles, tabletops, and accessories like hooks and brackets, you can create anything from a reading table to a compact kitchen with a securely mounted burner. You can even hang a kettle from it, and it doubles as a tripod for your camera or phone. It's a complete comfort kit in one smart system. The entire setup is priced at $79, the perfect way to make your campsite feel like home. 24-ounce GeoPress Ti Purifier. you've got 710 milliliters of titanium toughness in your backpack. This bottle isn't just for holding water, it also works as a cooking pot. Plus, it filters water, removing rotaviruses, Escherichia coli, pesticides, heavy metals, and other contaminants. In just 8 seconds, your water is ready to drink. The filter cartridge lasts for 250 liters, giving you clean water wherever you go. The titanium filter bottle costs $220, a smart investment for safe, versatile hydration outdoors. Bache Tarp. The team at Bache gave camping tarps a serious upgrade. First, it's incredibly lightweight. The 3x3 meter version weighs only 680 grams, storage bag included. Second, setup is faster than drinking your coffee. Just 60 seconds, and you have instant shade or rain cover. Third, it has 16 anchor points, 6 of which are reinforced for extra security. Fourth, handy corner pockets add convenience. Finally, it's made of polyester, so it won't absorb water, sag, or get heavy. The 3x3 meter model is priced at $130 Smart Shelter made simple. Naturehike hanging bowl, hot tea in the morning, and a rich broth at night. This kettle, which also doubles as a pot, brings welcome variety to your camping menu. Made of titanium, it's incredibly strong, yet weighs just 185 grams in the 1-liter version. The thoughtfully designed handle makes it easy to hang over a fire, so you can enjoy hot drinks and meals wherever your adventure takes you. Serious trekkers will want to check out the aiGear trekking poles. Made from 6061T6 aluminum alloy, the same material used in aerospace engineering. They're not just built for hiking, but tough enough for self-defense. The standout feature is their modular design. Each section hides a tool, like a saw, knife, or fire starter. Add more modules, and your survival kit grows with your adventures. One pole with a basic 3-tool set is available for $80, a smart investment for anyone who takes the trail seriously. Klymit Sojourn Stretch. The Sojourn Stretch sleeping bag is perfect for anyone who tosses and turns at night. Its flexible baffles stretch with your body, letting you shift into a comfortable position without losing warmth. If the weather turns cold, a hood with a draft collar provides extra protection. Between trips, it packs down compactly in the included compression sack, saving space in your pack. Designed for year-round use, the Sojourn Stretch sleeping bag keeps you warm and comfortable wherever you roam. The price is $170, a fair deal for a better night's sleep outdoors. Gonex 2. Cook like a pro, no matter how deep in the woods you are. This propane stove from Gonex strikes the perfect balance between portability and performance. It weighs about 3 kilograms and comes with 2 burners, plus a cooking surface that's great for frying eggs or flipping pancakes. No need for matches either, just turn the dial, and the auto ignition takes care of the rest. The stove is priced at $100, a solid investment for delicious meals wherever you camp. No poles, no complicated setup, just inflate the Smithfly inflatable shore tent and relax. When you're done with dry land, bring the whole tent onto the water and float away. Its inflatable mattress floor is 15 centimeters thick, making that possible and comfortable. This unique tent fits up to 3 people and is priced at $900, the ultimate way to camp wherever adventure takes you. Vault 3. The Vault 3 isn't just a backpack, it's your personal tactical headquarters. It opens a full 180 degrees, revealing not a chaotic pile of gear but a smartly organized space. It offers 12 different layout options, hidden pockets for valuables or secret snacks, and even a disappearing magnetic compartment. There's a spot for everything from your laptop to your wet swimsuit, thanks to a waterproof pocket. The Vault 3 costs $219, a solid investment in total organization on the go. Ti Ally. The Ti Ally is a knife with the soul of a multi-tool. Swappable accessories let you customize it for any task. Need a blade? It's got one. Want a saw? No problem. Looking for a comb? That's included too, so you can look cool even off the grid. With all this versatility and a tough titanium body, the Ti Ally is ready for any adventure. The price is $85, a smart pick for anyone who loves practical portable gear.